105 feet out from the first clean out here in the dirt. Okay, on the side of the house, side of the property, here in the planter. Okay. 105 feet out to inspect the first 100 feet. Then use the additional clean out at the bottom of the hill to inspect the city connection. First video here is only the first 105 feet. Oops. There are no issues with this sewer in the first 105 feet. As we pull back in reverse, will be the inspection narrated in reverse. This is how we do the sewer inspections. If I can get a good mount here, there we go. Okay, so it's going to be kind of a boring inspection because there's nothing to look at, which is what you want for a sewer inspection as a buyer. We are inspecting the main sewer drain. This is the building sewer drain that's responsible for carrying the wastewater. Any water a tenant or owner uses within the structure travels down this pipe and connects to the city sewer where it terminates. From there, the city takes care of it, goes to the treatment plants. But this building sewer is the responsibility of the landowner, all the way up to the city connection. City connection is usually called the saddle, and the sewer pipe that leads from the saddle to the property line is called the lateral. In most cases in LA, that lateral is 6 inches in diameter and consists of vitrified clay pipe. It's an old clay pipe that was laid during original development. However, this development age is unknown. We'll be inspecting this entire sewer drain and giving a full detailed report. This is the first section of the sewer, and we will continue video at the second clean out at the bottom of the hill. Okay, second and final clean out. There are no issues with this sewer. This is the connection to the lateral. This sewer is in pristine condition. There are no issues. There are no separations, breaks, cracks, root intrusion, obstructions of any kind. This sewer is in excellent condition, and this will conclude the sewer inspection via the second clean out. You'll see waste particles. Those are natural. They travel down, they make their way. Everything flows as designed. A couple of turns here. All the joints are great. This is ABS plastic pipe, which is considered lifetime pipe if it is installed correctly. As we pull up through this second clean out, which I've located, I sprayed it with green for visibility. Here we are here. We've marked it here. It was hidden by the grass. I located it from the first clean out side of the property. Second clean out here, and sewer connection to the street sewer. I have city sewer manhole located in the center of the street here, and we have a perfect sewer. No issues here. Good to go. Bell Canyon, December 2019. The Drain Whisperer, Los Angeles, California.